Bamboos are tall plants that can grow up to 20 meters high. However, thanks to their great adaptability, they can also be grown in small spaces. If you want to learn more about how to care for a bamboo plant in pots or outdoors, do not miss this video from the Daily Eco, where we offer a practical guide on how to care for a bamboo plant. Ideal location. Bamboo forms a rhizome from which its stems grow. Keep in mind that bamboo is an extremely invasive plant and its roots can penetrate bricks and ceramics. Therefore, it is critical to find a suitable location for it. You can also make root barriers from polypropylene, which are durable and inexpensive. As for light, this plant appreciates direct light if the environment is humid enough. Many of its species also tolerate shade very well, which is why bamboo plants are often used as indoor decoration. Watering bamboo. In order to keep these plants healthy, it is very important to provide them with abundant and regular water, but avoid flooding the roots. Water your bamboo outdoors or in pots with chlorine-free water, moistening the soil without drying it out. Also, spray water on the leaves every 72 hours during the warmer months. Recommended substrate. Bamboo needs loose soil that provides good drainage and it's rich in organic matter. Bamboo planted in soil should be planted in a location that meets these characteristics. If necessary, provide a suitable soil mix before planting. A mixture of peat, coconut fiber, and warm manure is a good combination. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. Bamboo is native to what country? Japan, China, South Korea. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Fertilizer. Because of its rapid growth, bamboo needs a regular supply of organic matter. You can use organic fertilizers such as worm dung or other homemade fertilizers, especially in spring and summer. Common pests and diseases. There are not many pests or diseases that affect bamboo. In fact, it is only affected by the most common pests such as aphids, red spider mite, stem rust, and powdery mildew. These can be treated in the same way as in other plants, but it is best to prevent them and to treat them organically if they do appear. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Bamboo is one of the most recognizable symbols of Chinese culture. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear if you plan to grow bamboo or if you already have one at home. Until next time!